Sorry folks, I couldn't figure out how to turn my camera around, but this is the 2004 Mitsubishi Galant that we found from an Uber driver that was taking my wife to work and picking her up from work. It's a little rough around the edges. He said that it was hit by a fire truck here. The bumper, he's got it taped on. Headlight lens cracked. You can see how bad the body lines are on it. It's, pretty wacky. I haven't dug into it yet to see if it's bent or not. As you can see in the background is my lovely wife over there, the one that found it. The duct tape almost reminds you of Pimp My Ride. We're going to do something about that. She even mentioned about putting Eclipse front end on a Galant. But I want to make my channel something different. Not like all the other ones where they do vlogging and all that. I want to make it a mishmash of making vehicles cool and making it enjoyable for everyone in my family, and maybe even meet people off of the web and have them come over and check out my products. But please like and subscribe at the bottom, and looking forward to seeing your comments. Thank you.